Model, 64-plate Mercedes-Benz Vito long 2.2 CDI. One owner needs gear cables. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 183174. Engine, 2143 CCM 651 136 HPA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gear cables are worn and will need replacing every now and then. It will select 5th gear instead of 1st due to the gear cables. The gearbox itself is perfect. Definitely just the cables need replacing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, cruise control, reversing camera, air con. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on